Hey guys, today is a good day. It's raining, but who cares? Because today, finally, I test ride this beauty Kove 450 Rally. Man, what a day. Welcome fellow riders. Let me start by saying that I'm thrilled about the Paris Dakar race. Why is this important? Because today I came home completely exhausted after a grueling 48 hours of work. I really didn't feel like doing anything and the rain was forecast. But after lunch and a short afternoon nap, I asked myself why not today? When, if not now? So I hopped on the Aprilia Touareg 660, headed to my friend Peter who tests the Kove 450 Rally for motoaventura.si. I saw Kove at Milan EICMA show and I remember that I wasn't excited by the build quality. This bike in front of me looks like it is better built and the plastic seems of higher quality. When Peter started the bike, it roared from the open exhaust like an avalanche from a nearby mountain. It would be impossible to sneak away from home unnoticed. Peter told me that this particular motorcycle is tuned to 54 horsepower compared to its original 42. A nearly identical bike in 2022 Dakar race. Wow, that's amazing. The sound from the exhaust is really loud. Maybe it's even too loud. What I didn't quite master in a few hours of riding was standing up while riding. If I'm honest, my less than ideal standing position is likely why I didn't feel comfortable. I probably just need a few more hours of riding to get used to it. I'm already calling the important for Slovenia, Aleš. Hello, Aleš, can you hear me? Joking, I will call him. Anyway, the bike impressed and captivated me. I can easily imagine myself riding across Moroccan plains, heading into the dunes of the Sahara, where I could live out my dreams and ride a stage of Dakar race. Dear friends, good night, sweet dreams. Alright, that's it for today folks. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more two-wheeled adventures. Until next time, ride safe and stay awesome. Tole je pa dead end. Dol. Okay.
Evo moj lako možda. Predstava spustimo. Evo ti ga. Dobro stvari. Kurva, škoda.